If your OneDrive file is opening corrupted, won't load properly, or keeps showing errors after syncing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to troubleshoot file corruption issues in OneDrive step by step, so you can check the file, repair sync problems, and recover an older version if needed. This is a simple fix you can follow on Windows, even if you're not technical. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos just like this. Let's start with the easiest check first. Open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and go to the file that's giving you trouble. The first thing you want to do is see whether the file opens correctly in the web version. Sometimes a file may look corrupted on your PC, but the cloud copy is still perfectly fine. If it opens correctly online, that's a good sign the file itself may be okay, and the problem could be with the local download or sync on your computer. If the file works in the web version, download it again to your PC. This can often fix the issue right away, especially if the local file became damaged during download or syncing. Save the new copy, then open it again and check whether the corruption problem is gone. If it opens normally, you're done. If the file still looks corrupted, the next step is to check whether OneDrive finished syncing completely. On Windows, look at the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar. Click it and check for any sync warnings, errors, or messages like sync pending. If OneDrive hasn't finished syncing, the file may appear broken because the upload or download process was interrupted. Give it time to finish and make sure everything is fully up to date before testing the file again. Now, if the file is still having problems, it's time to try a OneDrive reset. First, close the corrupted file completely, then press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the run box. In the box, paste this command exactly as shown, /program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset. After that, press enter and wait about 1 to 2 minutes. This reset can clear out sync glitches and force OneDrive to rebuild its connection properly. After waiting, open the start menu and search for OneDrive. Launch the OneDrive app again if it doesn't reopen automatically. Then, let your files sync once more all the way through. This step is important because, after a reset, OneDrive needs time to re-establish syncing and refresh the file status. Once syncing is complete, try opening the file again and see if the corruption issue is fixed. If the corruption continues after that, the next best option is to restore an older version of the file. Go back to OneDrive in the web browser, right-click the file and choose version history. You'll see earlier saved versions of that file. Pick an older version from before the corruption started, then restore it. This is one of the best recovery methods if a file was overwritten or damaged during a sync issue. If you're still running into problems, there may also be a Windows system issue involved. To check that, open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow. This scans Windows system files and can repair damaged files on your PC that might be affecting OneDrive or file handling us. Let the scan finish completely and then restart your computer afterwards so the repairs can take effect. After the restart, go back and test OneDrive again. Open the file, check the web version, and make sure it syncs properly across devices. In many cases, one of these steps will resolve the corruption issue and get your file working again without losing your data. So to quickly recap, start by checking the file in the OneDrive web version, re-download it if it opens correctly, confirm syncing is complete, reset OneDrive if needed, restore an older version if the file is still corrupted, and run sfc/scannow to check for Windows system problems. Following these steps in order gives you the best chance of fixing the issue safely. If this video helped you fix your OneDrive file corruption issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.